Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you this free site in which you can earn free TRX and other cryptocurrencies on this site without any investment. All that is needed is just your free time and some dedication. So guys, please and please, if you want to know how you can earn this, please and please make sure to watch this video till the end. So I'm going to be showing you step by step. So guys, welcome to this video, welcome back to this channel. So guys, if you've been liking and enjoying what we've been doing on this channel by going out there looking for updates and bringing them to you so you too can earn with us, please and please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell so whenever we upload nice content like this, you're going to be the first to be notified on it. So guys, the link to this site is going to be left in the description box down below. It's going to be left in the description box down below. Now when you click on the link in the description box, it's going to be bringing you to this site direct where you are going to start your earning. So all you have to do, as you can see, we have register and login. All you need to do is to click on the register as this is your first time registering. So guys, as you can see over here, all that is allowed for new registration is only gmail.com and yahoo.com that is allowed for new registration. So all you need to do, input your information over here, your email, password, confirm password, then you go down, verify you are not a robot, and lastly you get started and your account is going to be registered. And after your account has been registered and you have verified your account, all you need to do is to log into your account so you start earning immediately. So all you need to do, input your email and your password. Now after that is done, you come over here, verify you are not a robot, and after that you go ahead and log in. So guys, when you've successfully logged into this site, as you can see over here, for now I have just 0 Satoshi. I don't have anything on this site, but I've been using this site for a couple of times now and it has been paying me, and I've thought of bringing it down to my channel so you too can also earn from this site with me. So all you need to do is to tap on the three lines in the top left corner of your screen, and you're going to be seeing this over here, PTC, tax and short links. You can also earn from claiming Faucet. So all you need to do, when you click on claim Faucet, which is over here, you're going to be claiming Faucet every 5 minutes, as you can see over here, every 5 minutes, and our claim now, our Faucet is ready for claim. So all you need to do is scroll down, verify that you are not a robot, as you can see over here. So you are going to be verifying that you are human and not a robot, and after that you scroll down and click on collect reward. And when you click on collect reward, your reward is going to be sent to you immediately. As you can see over here, it says 2 BTC Satoshi has been added to my balance. So guys, also to earn on this site, when you tap on the three lines again, you can also earn from PTC ads, as you can see over here. Now when you tap on PTC, you're going to be viewing some ads. As you can see over here, I still have 3 available ads to view. So all you need to do is to come over here, view these ads for 15 seconds, and also do this for 50 seconds and this also, and you're going to be rewarded for doing that. So guys, after that is done, another way to also earn from this site massively is by short links. Now for short links is also like the PTC, where you also view ads and also earn from the links and ads you view. So guys, this is how you can earn on this site for free or totally free. Now to go into the referral section to also earn, as you can see over here, this is my referral link. All you need to do is to copy your referral link and share to your friends and loved ones, and you're going to be earning 20% commission from your referrals. So guys, when you share your link, you're going to be earning 20% referrals from them. And to also withdraw on this side, when you want to withdraw your earning, when you click on the three lines, the top left corner of your screen, you're going to be seeing the withdrawal button over there. Now all you need to do is to tap on withdraw, and you're going to be seeing it over here. And for the purpose of this video, we're going to be withdrawing TRX. Now when you tap on the TRX, as you can see, we have just 2 Satoshi, due to the fact that I didn't do much tax on the site. I'm just doing this for the purpose of this video to show you and put you through how you can earn on this site. So guys, after that is done, you come over here and verify you are not a robot. And once you've been verified, over here also you are going to be imputing your FaucetPay wallet ID. So guys, we're going to be going to our FaucetPay to copy our address of TRX. So heading to our FaucetPay account, we're going to be copying our TRX address, as you can see over here. By tapping on it, and it's going to be copied. Then you head back to the site and impute the wallet address there. Then you go ahead to place your withdrawal. Now you tap on withdraw, and you're going to be seeing it over here. So guys, as you can see over here, this amount of TRX has been sent to our FaucetPay account, and I'm going to be verifying that right away. So heading to my FaucetPay account, let's check if our payment has arrived. So guys, as you can see over here, this amount of TRX has successfully arrived from the site. As you can see it clearly over here, it has arrived to our wallet. So guys, this is how you can earn from this site without any investment. All that is needed is just your free time and some dedication, and trust me, you are going to be making a lot of money from this site. So guys, if you know you enjoyed this video and you like what we'll be doing on this channel, by going out there looking for updates, bringing them to you on this channel, so you too can also earn with us, please and please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload nice content like this, you're going to be the first to be notified on it. And also leave a nice comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next video.